Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your WordPress site instantly recognizable and leave a strong impression on your visitors, today's tutorial is perfect for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to add a site tagline to your WordPress website in 2025. Quickly, easily, and step by step. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a tip to make your tagline more effective. First things first, let's access WordPress. Open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, click the login button in the top right corner. For a faster and secure login, choose Continue with Google, then select the Google account linked to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Look for the Edit Site button in the Quick Links panel on the right and click it. This will open the editing interface where all the magic happens. Now, let's add your site tagline. In the editor, click the Add button located at the top left of the screen. In the blocks menu that appears, use the search bar and type Site Tagline. You'll see a Site Tagline block appear. Click it to insert it into your page. Here comes the fun part, typing your tagline. Make sure it's catchy and represents your site's essence clearly. Something concise that tells visitors exactly what your site is about works best. Once you've entered your tagline, review your setup, make sure it looks perfect, and then save your changes. And that's it. Your WordPress site now has a tagline that will appear prominently, helping visitors understand your site at a glance. Adding a tagline is such a simple tweak, but it makes a huge difference in branding your website. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.